Today I'm going to show you how to completely delete your Google Chrome browsing history in just a few clicks. From my desktop, I clicked on my Chrome profile icon in the taskbar, which opened my Google account interface. Then I moved to the top right corner and clicked on the three dots, the Chrome menu button. A panel appeared on the right side with multiple options, and from there, I selected History. Another small panel appeared on the left, and right at the top, the first option said History again. I clicked on it, and all of my browsing history appeared on the screen. On the left-hand side, I selected the option Clear Browsing Data. A section opened with a time range option at the top, letting me choose how much history to delete. Last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I selected all time, clicked the Delete Data button, and then confirm by clicking OK, got it, and that's it. My browsing history was successfully deleted. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future tech tips.